Hey there, welcome to Tidbit Tuesday. Today, I'd like to point out a crucial aspect to our health that often gets overlooked: the importance of taking a break. As you're rebuilding after getting derailed from the life you knew, along with striving to achieve your health goals, it's essential to recognize that rest and rejuvenation play a significant role in your success. And here are a few reasons why taking a break matters. Number one, just as your muscles need time to recover after a workout, your entire body benefits from periods of rest. Number two, mental clarity. Not taking breaks can lead to burnout and mental fatigue, while taking breaks allows your body to reset, which boosts creativity, problem-solving abilities, and focus. Number three, stress reduction. High stress levels can hinder your progress toward health goals. Breaks provide an opportunity to engage in relaxation techniques, which helps manage stress and promotes a sense of well-being. And a fourth reason why that taking a break really truly does matter is because it enhances productivity. Now, I know that this sounds counterintuitive, but taking breaks can actually improve productivity and help you maintain consistently high levels of performance. Remember, your health journey is a marathon. It is not a sprint. And so incorporating regular breaks into your routine is not a sign of weakness, but a strategy for long-term success. Well, that is your Tidbit Tuesday. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You. So if you'd like to hear more tips on how to rebuild, then I think you know what to do. You need to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.